Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to slow down your mouse cursor. Yes, that thing on the screen is called a cursor. I laughed too when I first heard it. You could speed it up or slow it down for mouse sensitivity. So first what you want to do is you go to Start, you click Settings, make this bigger, you go to Devices, and if you can see it on camera it says Bluetooth printers and mouse. So you click that and it's recognizing your mouse, keyboard, optical mouse. It realizes that this is an optical mouse. It recognizes the monitor. It's non-plug and play monitor, that's what PNP stands for, and it's recognizing a mass storage device. I forget what that actually, oh, it's recognizing the hard drive. I thought I had something hooked up external. So anyway, in this case you go over to the left, you click mouse. Now you could speed it up or slow it down. So you see how I'll go against the you see how fast that is? Here's what I can do. Left click, hold. You see how slow that is? We'll turn it all the way up and see what happens. See how quick that is? So I'm going to put it back. Now your primary select button, what is that? When you go to open up programs you have a primary select button. Default it's left. So if I'm going to open up a program here, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera here, I am going to scroll over here. Fortunately that's not going to work for me. Alright, so I'm going to turn the camera, I'm going to open up Ultra, the tool here, right? So my finger is on the left, right? So the program launches. So what you can do is you can change it from left to the right. Right? So I'm going to do right. Now it's set to the right. You see how it's coming up with the right click? Wait. So now if now it minimizes. Here, I'll even show you. So I'll go here and I'm going to left click it. Normally that's when you normally right click. But since I changed it, so now I have my hand on the right mouse button, it opens it up. So you could switch the primary select button. Whoop. I'm going to switch it back to left because that's what I'm used to. Alright, so now that is back. So you have typing, and if you, since I changed it back, left click, here's what Windows has by default. You have autocorrect, you have highlight misspelled words, you show text suggestion when you're typing, you add space after I choose a text selection, add a period after I double tap spacebar. That's why it does it, because it's on by default. Now this is Pen and Windows Ink. When you go to pay for something in your signing, they call that a digitizer. You could adjust, if you're using a Windows computer, you can adjust it. Printers and scanners. You could adjust that too. Tell it where to go by default. If you have what they call a scan tool, handheld tool like you see in stores, default, if you scan something and you're not, and the program is not selected, it'll open up the search bar for you by default. I worked at a place and we had to scan stuff and it kept popping up and I couldn't figure out why. Then I figured out why. It's like, oh, okay, so it'll scan, it'll open up the search bar for you. Bluetooth and other devices. So you could speed up or slow down your mouse, change the select button from left to right. And you can choose how many lines to scroll each time. When you're on a website and you use the middle button and you're scrolling, you could either have it do it really, really fast or really, really slow. I wouldn't have it on the slowest setting, but I wouldn't have it too fast because it's like taking a coin and sliding it across the glass if you have it all speed up. So if I double click optical mouse, I can have it removed. I can remove device. Same thing with the keyboard. Same thing with that. I can remove the device. This you don't want to do, is remove that. So, anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.